In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write review on Booking.com. Whether you're using the app or the website, the process is quick and helps other travelers make confident choices. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the same account you used to make the reservation and that your stay has already ended, since reviews are only available after checkout. Start by logging into your account. If you have more than one account, double-check you're in the right one so your reservation appears. On the app, open it and sign in if prompted. On the website, head to the homepage and sign in from the top right. Next, go to your booking history. On the app, look for the bookings section. On the website, this is usually labeled trips. This area gathers all your reservations in one place. Now switch to past bookings. You'll typically see two tabs or filters, upcoming and past. Choose past so you can access the stays that qualify for reviews. If your stay just ended and you don't see it yet, give it a little time. It can take a short while after checkout for the review option to appear. Find the hotel or property you stayed in and open its reservation details. This is where you'll see information about your stay and, once eligible, the option to leave feedback. Look for the Write a Review button and tap or click it. If you don't see the button, it may be because the review window hasn't opened yet, has already closed, or the reservation isn't eligible. In most cases, though, it should be clearly visible once your stay is in the past. Now rate your experience and write your comment. You'll usually be asked for an overall rating and sometimes separate scores for things like cleanliness, location, staff, comfort, and value. Be honest, specific, and fair. Mention what stood out, both good and not so good. For example, you might note how quiet the room was, how accurate the photos were, how quickly staff resolved an issue, or how walkable the area felt. Keep your language clear and respectful, avoid sharing personal or booking details, and focus on facts other guests would find helpful. If you experienced a minor hiccup that was handled well, include that context. It gives a balanced view. A few concise sentences are often enough. Aim for clarity over length. Before moving on, take a moment to proofread for tone and spelling so your review is easy to read. That's it. By following these steps, you'll leave a helpful, verified review on Booking.com and make travel decisions easier for everyone. Thanks for watching.